go through your shoes and see which shoes fit properly. Look for the shoes that you wear all the time. Do you have duplicate shoes? Are there shoes that are falling apart that you just need to get rid of? Thank you for joining me today. We're gonna talk about 5 10-minute decluttering projects that you can do that are pretty easy and can be done quickly. As I was just saying, going through your shoes is a 10-minute project, or for most people can get done in 10 minutes. What I like to do is separate my shoes into piles, keep, donate, trash, or recycle if you recycle shoes. I actually have a whole blog post on how to declutter shoes, but it should be super quick and easy and can be done in probably around 10 minutes. One thing I've started doing is just quick 10-minute declutter projects here and there as I come across some extra time in my life. And decluttering shoes was a super simple one that I did last year when I was going through my wardrobe. So I will link that video down below. But when I went through my shoes, I decided I only wanted to keep one type of each shoe. So I have tennis shoes, I have 1 pair of flip-flops, I have 1 pair of sandals, I have 1 pair of slippers. So I just narrowed it down, which is another thing you can do if you're looking to really downsize your shoe collection. Another quick decluttering project that could take under 10 minutes is going through your medicine cabinet and look for items that are expired or that you never use. For instance, we never use this hand soap container anymore. I kept it as a backup, but I don't know if we need this anymore. So I think sometimes with our medicine cabinet, we just toss things in there and we don't even know if we need them anymore. So that's a really quick decluttering project. Go through, pull it all out, and see what you are not using anymore. Expired items, things that you maybe bought that you thought you were going to use, love, that were going to solve a problem and they didn't. Just get rid of all those items, and I'm pretty sure this could be done in under 10 minutes. I'm just gonna whisper because I know there's gonna be an echo because I'm in my hall, but hall closets are something that could definitely be an under 10-minute project. So let me show you mine. Right now, I have some things up on this top shelf that I need to go through and just see if I'm going to keep using, pull it all out, see what we don't use anymore. And again, this is a great 10-minute project. Sorry for the echo because this is a really old house and sometimes there's an echo in here. Don't comment that you hear an echo. I'm sorry. Here we go. I just pulled out 3 items that don't belong in there, and I don't even know where these came from and why we still have them. Sometimes a hall closet can be a catch-all, but that took probably 3 seconds. I know everything else in there I like. Gonna see where this stuff should be going. Another project that takes under 10 minutes in most homes is to clear the countertops. So we get into our daily routine and a lot of the time things come out. So we have a box of tissues, you know, stuff for a smoothie machine still left out, our compost bin, and sometimes it just gets left out. So a really great 10-minute or under declutter or project to do to put things away is just go through and look at your countertops, do a visual scan of what needs to be put away, what could actually go if you have a lot of appliances that you don't use very often that have just been on your countertop, taking up valuable space. All of that could probably be decluttered or put away. So that's a great 10-minute or under project to do in your kitchen. The nice thing about that sort of project is you get instant results. So instantly your house will feel calmer, cleaner, and just look more put together. One of the things I always forget to go through, but is great to revisit at least once or twice a year, is makeup. This is actually my backup makeup. At one point I had so much makeup that I went through, decluttered, but kept all the things that I think I would use eventually. So I haven't had to buy makeup in a really, really long time. But I just like to revisit this and see if I'm still gonna want to use certain things. See, something like this I haven't used in so long, and I don't think I'm gonna use this, so this can probably go. But I can go through all of this in under 10 minutes, and maybe I'll find some things that I wanna pull out and start using, or things that I just probably don't need anymore because I haven't used it in so long that I no longer need to keep it. I hope some of these ideas help you come up with some quick decluttering projects that you can do in under 10 minutes. I know these are all things that I've been needing to do and have really helped me get through the decluttering projects, just breaking them down and doing quick little projects when I have the time. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See, here's 5 items I found in under 10 minutes.